Before final assembly, please check the 24-degree taper contour and the sealing ring for soiling or damage. To facilitate assembly, apply suitable lubricant to the tube contour, the thread and the cone of the screwed connection piece. Now hand tighten the SQR union nut. VOSS recommends making markings on the union nut and the tube to check the stipulated tightening path. For final tightening, the union nut is tightened by 1/2 to 3/4 of a turn with a wrench. During assembly, the screw socket needs to be held with a wrench. As an alternative to path-dependent assembly, torque-dependent assembly is also possible. The required tightening torques are stated in the VOSSForm assembly instructions.